So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the f*** is this? He loves it in there. He grew it.
When you're cooking breakfast, you know, you gotta have all the essentials. This is the most important.
Stop! You don't like that. Oh yeah, I love that. Oh God damn it! Eat this frame. Fuck you, Jimmy.
It's okay. Don't be scared. You can touch it. Oh, I bet that feels pretty nice on your little grub grabbers. Oh, look at you go. You're a superstar.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
That's good.
I've been picked on 3 times today. All because of my trousers. What's wrong with your trousers? Look at the fucking size.
Kiss your cat and see their reaction.
I literally tell this to every cat owner I meet, but anyways, when you rub your cat's stomach, move your hand up their stomach and stretch their arms out. Stretch their arms out. They freaking love this crap.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty? You wanna go outside?
No kitties on the table! Put my stuff down! Stop it! Stop! 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 Put it down! Put it down! Pigeon!
Look at that guilty face. He has definitely done something. And what have you been up to? Something bad? Do I need to go check? That means yes.
Ah, damn it! Yo, you're late for school. Hurry up. You're missing the bus. You're missing the bus. Come on. The bus is outside. Hurry up. Hurry up. Santa, the bus is waiting outside. Guys, Santa's on his way. Hurry up. You're going to miss the bus.
that little butt shake. Trust me, I know. She's a badass, even in a pink dress.
Can I give you a boop?
I don't know. What's a boop?
This.
What are you doing? Don't touch that. How dare you?
Meow at your cat.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Good boy.
Pets.
Do you want to go for a walk?